This is the story of the rarest t-shirts you've never heard of. This is the story of Luna Luna. The first and only of its kind, Luna Luna Art Amusement Park debuted in Germany in 1987 and featured art from over 30 prominent artists, like Keith Haring, Basquiat, and Dalí. After the summer of 1987 and only 3 months of operation, the park was shut down and locked away into storage. The project was lost and forgotten for decades, until now. In 2022, the park was rescued from 44 shipping containers and began restoration right here in Los Angeles. With no blueprints or any instructions, they were determined to bring the park back to its full glory. Here's how it looks today. That wasn't the only thing they found. These are the original t-shirts from the summer of 1987. They were found in the same shipping containers that entombed the contents of the park. I just loved the distressing and the texture in these. And not only are these on view in the exhibit, but they are actually for sale in their gift shop. There are 3 different designs in the 87 archive collection: a herring, a Lichtenstein, and a scarf. And they're selling these true vintage t-shirts between $250 and $500 depending on which design. These shirts are printed on Mode brand blanks. I'm not familiar with this tag. Let me know if you are in the comments. I mean it when I say I'm obsessed. I cannot stop thinking about these. It's keeping me up at night. We're anticipating making a very poor financial decision. These were hands down one of my favorite parts of this exhibition, and I truly hope to own one day. They even had the bags on display if you had bought this t-shirt back in 1987. It was so cool to see. And there was another section in the exhibit which featured all of the ephemera, like the sketches and paint swatches that really were behind the scenes to make the park come alive. As a fellow art department veteran, this is the stuff that I get so excited about, and it really brings a life to the holistic experience. And it was this really interesting mix of archival meets interactive. So magical to attend, and I do recommend getting tickets to an evening showtime because everything just lights up so wonderfully. This is truly a unique exhibition and not something to be missed. It is a one-of-a-kind experience, and be sure to catch it if it's in your city.
Cool.